Students, we are doing worksheet number 6 of Unit 4, and in this worksheet we are doing the word problems based on division. Until now we have done two questions of this worksheet, that is A and B part, and today we will start the next part, that is C part. So here the question is, a book has 3,125 pages and Rima, the name of a girl, reads 25 pages daily. Now, in how many days will she finish the whole book? So try to understand this question. Yesterday we have done one situation where we divide, that is when many things are given and we have to find out the one. That means when the cost of when the cost of many things are given and you have to find out the cost of one thing. In such situations we divide. But now here the situation is different from that. Here a book has 3,125 pages. एक बुक में इतने पेजेस हैं and Rima reads 25 pages daily. That means वो one day में 25 pages read कर रही है. So the question is कि वो कितने दिन में ये पूरी बुक को read करके finish करेगी. So what we have to do is, we have to distribute these 3,125 pages in equally distribute in 25 pages. That means हमें इन पेजेस को 25, 25, 25, 25 इस तरह से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जब हमें करना होता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मीन्स डिवीजन. जब भी हम किसी भी चीज को इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं देन वी हैव टू डिवाइड. सो हियर 3,125 पेजेस को हमें इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है 25 पेजेस में. दैट मीन्स 25 पेजेस इन फर्स्ट, देन सेकंड 25 पेजेस, देन अगेन 25 पेजेस, लाइक दिस. तो 25 पेजेस में हमको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है. सो जितनी बार ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गए 25 करके, उतने नंबर ऑफ डेज में ये बुक फिनिश होगी रीड करके. आई होप द क्वेश्चन इज क्लियर टू यू. 325 को इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है हमें 25 पेजेस में डेली जो वो रीड कर रही है. सो सॉल्यूशन, first of all we will write what is given. So here two things are given, that is 3,125 and 25. So what is 3,125? It is the number of pages in a book. So write number of pages in a book. तो बुक में जितने भी पेजेस हैं that is 3,125. Now second thing is 25 is given. So what is this 25? So number of pages reads daily. मतलब डेली जो पेजेस, या यू कैन राइट read daily instead of read daily, you can write number of pages read in one day. You can also write daily की जगह पर आप one day भी लिख सकते हैं. that is 25 pages. Now what you have to find out, in how many days will she finish the whole book? So number of days she finished the book. she finished the book. So for that we have to divide 3125 by 25. So total number of pages given थे, 1 day में 25 pages read कर रही थी, तो अब हम 3125 को equally distribute करना है 25, 25, 25 में. So we have to divide it by 25. So divide it, 3125 divided by 25. So if you don't know the table of 25, you can make the table on the right side. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 twos are 50. That is greater than 31. So we will take 25 ones are 25. Now subtract it. 1 is smaller than 5, so we will borrow. It will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, and what is left over here is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now what will come down is 2. Now it becomes 62. So 25 3s are 75. So 75 is greater than 63. So we have to take 25 2s are 50. Now subtract it. What is left is 12. And what will come down is 5. Now you have to recite the table of 25 till 125. So 25 4s are 100. 25 4s are 100. And 25 5s are 125. So now 25 5s are 125. So there is no other digit left to come down. So this is the answer. So that means Rima finished this book in 125 days. So the question is, in how many days will she finish the whole book? Write the answer. Rima will finish the whole book in 125 days. So when we have to distribute the thing in equal parts, equally distribute, then we will divide. Equal distribution is called division. So whenever we have to distribute the things equally, then we have to divide. So in the next question is D part. 11,424 candles are packed in 24 boxes. How many candles are there in each box? So this is the question. Try to understand this question. 11,424 candles are packed in 24 boxes. That means candles in 24 boxes is given. And what you have to find out, how many candles are there in each box. So we have discussed in previous video. Each means every one, har ek. So that means one box, you have to find out the candle in one box. So here the candle in many boxes is given, and you have to find out the candle in one box. In such situation, what we have to do? We divide. जब भी हमें many things given होती है और हमने one निकालनी होती है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? Divide. As we have discussed yesterday in previous video, many to one के लिए हम always divide करते हैं. यहाँ पर 24 boxes में candle given है, हमें one box में निकालना है. So this is similar to A and B part. So solution. First of all, we will write what is given. So what is given is number of candles in 24 boxes. Number of candles in 24 boxes is given, that is 11,424. Now we have to find out the number of candles in one box. So what we have to do, we have to divide it. 11,424 divided by 24, because there are 24 boxes, so we will divide it. Now divide it. 11,424 divided by 24. Now you don't know the table of 24, you have to make the table on the right side. Now how many digits we will take in first step? 1 is smaller than 24, so we have to take 2. Now again 11 is smaller than 24, so what we will do, we have to take one more digit. Now it becomes 114, so we will take these 3 digits in first step. So recite the table of 24, you don't know. So 24 ones are 24, then 24 twos are 48, then 24 threes are 3 fours are 12, and 3 to 6 plus 1 72, then 24 fours are 4 fours are 16, 4 to 8 plus 1 96, then 24 fives are 5 fours are 20, 5 to 10 plus 120. So you can see here 120 is greater than 114, so we have to take 24 fours are 96. Subtract it. Now here 4 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow. It becomes 14. So 8 plus 6 is 14, or you can say 14 minus 6 is 8. Then what is left over here is 0. We will again borrow. It becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, and here 0 is left. Now what will come down is 2. Now here 24 fives of 120 is smaller, so we will further move further. 6 fours are 24, 6 twos are 12, plus 2 is 14. Next 24 sevens are 7 fours are 28. Now 7 2 is a 14, plus 2 is 16, 168. Next is 24 8s are. Now 8 4s are 32, 3. Now 8 to 16, plus 3 is 19. So you can see here 192 is greater than 182. So we have to take 24 7s are 168. 168. Subtract it again. Now we will borrow. It becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. What is left is 7. 7 minus 6 is 1, and here is 0. What will come down now? 4. So you can see here 24 6 are 144. So 24 6 are 144. Now subtract it. 0. Now there is nothing left to come down, so this is the answer. So there are 476 candles in one box. So here is the question, that how many candles are there in each box. So we will write the answer. There are 476 candles in each box. So in this way you can solve the questions. Now still 3 questions are remaining. You can read it and try it, these remaining questions. We will discuss these questions in the next video. Thank you.